Okay, here we are. So it looks like to make my audio work, I have to go into the audio settings in Streamlab and just disable then re-enable every time. Let me go ahead and put some filters on my mic real quick because doing that deletes all my filters. Let me put my expander. Something like that. Limiter. Like that. Check. Check. Hold up. I want to do this. Turn the attack up a bit. And turn the release up quite a bit. Right there ought to be good. Good enough. Yep. I think we're fine. Let me just go back to the YouTube stream real quick to check it. Hold up. I want to do this. Turn the attack up a bit. Looks like we're good. Okay, so I'm working on the pedal and I'm going back to, let's see, I want to do the Overdrive DSP right now. And I'm going back to using the generic, where's it at? This generic editor, because I have one parameter right now, which is Overdrive, preamp, and you know what? I'm going to call it input because that's what it is on the pedal. And then you can see if I build this, it'll give me a generic non-style juice slider. Cool. And then I'm going to need two more. I'm going to do a tone and a shape. Okay, this is going to be OD input. This is going to be OD tone, and then OD shape. Okay. And I think, let me open up Max. I went and I fixed, wait. Where's an initializer? Okay, it should be good now, right? I build it. What? Oh. Is that what it was? What? What? What is your problem? Bro, what is going on? Wait, I wonder. No, that shouldn't be the problem. I have no idea what the hell is wrong with this. What? Okay, OD input. Okay, tone and shape. Okay, I wonder if maybe two of my strings didn't match or something. No idea. But anyway, here are here are the parameters going to use for the overdrive. OD input, OD tone, OD, and in fact, okay, I'm gonna leave them like that. Okay, so I'm gonna open Max and show you I kind of fixed the overdrive algorithm. I don't remember what happened, but the last time I looked at it, it was wrong. So let's turn it on right here and do that. Okay, so that's what it looks like. And for some reason I have to erase the scope object and put it back in. Yeah, there we go. Okay. And so what I'm doing is I have the algorithm, and as you can see, this is pretty close to what the clipper looks like. If I open up audio modeler, oh, Oh, I don't have it plugged in. Oh yeah, I'm not gonna be able to plug and unplug. I had a mixer on my desk, but I took the setup out because it was making my mic sound bad whenever I was on Discord. So just trust me. Oh, I didn't want to close Max all the way. But I did want to show you. Yeah, here we go. Okay. Get that back. Let's see. Is it going to actually... Yeah, I'm going to have to reinstantiate them for some reason. Do that. And then you can see what the shape looks like right there. And then what I'm doing is right here, I'm going to mix it with the unfiltered signal. So I've got basically the algorithm that I came up with in MATLAB, which is just a third order polynomial. And then I've got the same filtering that's happening in the pedal, which is just a high and low pass, not too crazy. And then just a couple little mathematical things to put the wave in the right spot. That doesn't really change the shape or the sound. It just kind of makes it where it doesn't like clip in, you know, in your DAW or whatever. So what I'm going to do is mix it with the unfiltered signal. So just the signal coming out of the polynomial. And what you can see is, let's look at it right there. It looks kind of, it's cool. It's like kind of analog and asymmetrical looking, like it looks fine. But if you mix a little bit of this signal in, so let me go to the other one. This is what the unfiltered signal looks like, all the way driven. So what we can do is mix in just a little bit, like 0.1. You can see it changes the shape quite a bit. So if we just leave that set like that, and this is our main like signal, you can see that now the shape is a lot more interesting on this side. And what we can do is for the shape parameter, we can actually move this knob, which would just be a mix. So like, say it's set at 0.1, the shape parameter will change just from 0.1 to like, you know, 100 or whatever. So you could do this. So I'm going to leave it at 0.1. Cool. So yeah, that's what the overdrive looks like. 5 dB of gain, which I think works pretty well. Makes sense because I'm pretty sure pedals and amps usually have 5, 6, 10 dB of gain usually for knobs, and it doesn't usually go like high. So yeah, so that's what that looks like. I think it looks pretty cool. Oh, we have to flip it. So let's see how much that changes it. Yeah, that's fine. That's cool. Oh, we could probably, yeah. Maybe now we can move this. Yeah, that's cool. Yeah, that's cool. So let's leave it like that. I'm gonna do this. So now the patch will open up with the right settings. Yes. And then we can drive it, and that's what it looks like. Cool. So I'm going to save that. Let me get the algorithm, which is just, okay, cool. So I'm going to go into here, and I'm going to go into Wave Shaper. Oh, you know what? We're going to need a way to, I don't want this Wave Shaper class to be hard coded. I want to, or I guess it can be by default. You're going to need some kind of shape by default. So let's just, coefficient 3. Coefficient 3. Okay. And then, oh, so what I could do is, yeah, I could just put the default setting in this definition. Yes. Okay. So maybe I'll do that. Okay. So like we could say 0.32. Why did I do int? Should be float. Uh, 2.32. What's up, chat? 2.26. And 0.26. Okay, and then go into Wave Shaper and change these to float. And then don't pass it any coefficients, and it should use these default coefficients. And let's see. Oh, let me make sure that the gain thing is, yep, dB to gain. dB to gain is correct. Okay. So that means if I go in here and set preamp to be 5, that should be full, right? Okay. Okay, and I'm going to turn that off. And, oh, actually, you know what? I am going to go to the other, I'm going to go to CPU tests. Okay, and oh yeah, it's gonna look different because it's not filtered and it's not clipped. Oh, it is clipped. That seems wrong. Something doesn't seem right. So what could it be? Let me save. Oh, yeah. So, yeah, I'm not going to be able to really, so this is really important. So like, for example, if I undo this and I just go straight into it. I clip it. and go into it. It should look like that. So something weird is happening. Let's make sure this is correct. Oh, I shouldn't be clipping it right now. In fact, I could just do this. Coefficient, which is 2.32 times, yep, plus 2.26, yep, and 0.26, yeah, okay. This doesn't matter, but I'm gonna put that in there. Oops. Don't need that. Cubic shaper. I kind of want to do this. Not that it really matters, but I think that makes more sense. That, and then I guess the only way to really see if it's working correctly is to put the filtering in here. Well, so let's just do that, build it, and we'll do the filtering in Logic so I don't waste my time coding if there's a different issue. Well, something changed. It also looks like I'm not having to flip the phase, which is interesting. Oh, I do have the filtering. Okay, so that looks correct with no filtering. And that's with the filtering. Let me turn this off. Okay, and then if the gain is on the oscillator set to 0, that would mean that's 1. And then if Dark Star is on, it's bringing it down. Yeah, it's up by a lot. So that's the whole scaling thing that I have to do. And then what happens if I put my clipper hard clipper? Seems right. Seems pretty close to being correct. So let's put the filters. I wonder what would be the best way to do this. I'm not going to put it in this class because that might not always be the case. Might not always need to filter, but I don't know. So I'm probably going to just put the filter in the main class. So let's do low pass filter and high pass filter, because that's what it is. High pass filter. So we'll do LP filter and that, and they're not actually both at 1,000. I think the one pole is low pass, right? Low pass, yeah. So the low pass is 1,000, the high pass is 800. Like that. Let's put this at 0. I think it makes more sense to say actually it doesn't matter. Yeah, I'm just gonna leave that alone for now. Let's just do the filtering. Okay. And we have a couple of options. Yeah, let's process block. So in the patch I'm doing the high pass first. I don't think it really matters, but I'm just gonna go ahead and do that since that's the way it is. Low pass, and then we could very easily just do the math in line just to test it. We could say see, I could do a block loop. So this is saying replace the contents in the buffer or the block with whatever. And I'm gonna go into max and see what it was that I did. Okay, minus equals uh 0.41, and then times equals 0.5. And it's probably good. Okay, open it in Logic. Oh, did it crash? Was that a fluke or something actually wrong? Oh, it seems like the filtering is not actually happening. And I need to flip the phase. Let's see. Let me comment out this real quick. Oh, something weird is happening with the filter. I guess I'll comment this out also, just to make sure. Okay. I'm going to do the process sample version of the filter and see if it works. So, high pass first, right? Low pass filter, and I called prepare, right? Here. Oh, I guess I didn't call. Oh, I didn't call type. Okay, hold up. Low pass filter. Can you get out of my way? Set parameter. Type. And filter type, and this is the low pass. And this is the high pass. I wonder if that was the issue. Hmm. I don't think this matters, but I'm gonna do that. You know what? I saw something here. I mean, I don't really need... Why do I need to static cast? Was I getting a warning right here? I don't know. Actually, you know what? Hold up. Okay, yeah, the filtering is working. Okay, that seems correct. So let's get rid of that, and let's go back and uncomment out this. I don't care about that right now. Oh, wait. Okay. We're good. I guess I can put the static cast back in. So that I don't get that warning anymore, but I think it's still gonna warn where you call it. Not sure about these crashes every once in a while. Have to look into that. Just crashed again. Okay. So for some reason I don't have to flip the phase. It's interesting. And it doesn't look like I have to really do the math to fix it. I don't know. Let's put a hard clip in there and see what happens. Okay, I don't need this. I might need that. So let's do a quick little hard clip. Like that, right? Yeah, these crashes are weird because they're not every time. So something weird is happening that I'm unaware of, but that'll be a lot of reading through that crash report, a lot of boring stuff. Okay, let me read this one. Possible pointer authentication. Failure. Or invalid address at something. Is there a way for me in Xcode to see? Can I, man F? No. I'm just gonna go until I see the plugin name. Oh, something in Soka Labs. Okay, so some kind of lock thing in Soka Labs. So it could be a combination of things happening with my plugin and another plugin. Okay, hold up. Let me see if I can get Logic to open at some point. Okay, I'm gonna turn off the Soco Labs. Save that. Go into here. Did I even hit build? Okay. Let's see if I still get these crashes. Okay, so now on this report, I shouldn't see the Soco Labs thing, so okay, here we go. Hold up, let's see. What if I take those out? Okay. See if I can get to open 3 times in a row. Okay, so is it the shaper? Okay. Okay, there we go. Okay, so let me attach it to Logic and see if we can get a crash and get a better direction as to where to go. Copy audio buffer. Oh, copy audio buffer happens in the oh, you know what? Okay. Okay, so I got rid of that copy thing. I don't know if that was the issue, but Oh, and I just realized something else we could do that would be a little bit better. There's this right here where it says return. I should just put that first, because if I have it bypass, it's gonna, I don't know how much processing this takes, getting the in block and the out block, blah, blah, blah. But if we're bypassed, there's no reason to even do it at all. So I need to move that up to be the first thing. Okay, so we open logic. Okay, looks like what? This again? Wait a minute. Hold up. I wonder if that's probably not important. Back here. Let me undo that. Let me make sure Clipper has bypass is false. Yes. Oh, I didn't attach. Well. And it crashed. Okay. So that seems fine. And so blah blah blah. Maybe I could say is equal to data sample, and we'll say that. Okay, that's the normal logic attach failure that happens in Xcode every once in a while. Okay. It's not clipping. Interesting. Clip data. See, I'm going to take away const, and I'm going to say, just going to take this. Just like that, right? That should be a hard clip. wonder if doing a process block and then doing a block loop after it is some kind of issue. What is this? I've never seen this before. Actually, I wonder. Oh, let's go back. I'm just going to build it and then open it without attaching just to see. It doesn't seem like it's... Oh, now it's clipping. These errors I'm getting are very strange. I've never gotten them before. And why did this work, but the other, like, data sample equal to Viator utils clip data X. Oh, it's working. Yeah, it's working. Okay. Oh, one way to test it. I think maybe I'm getting confused by the oscilloscope. So I'm gonna go ahead and let's see. I'm gonna turn the oscilloscope off. I'm gonna turn this gain really far down so that we can listen to it. And then now if I take this gain and turn it up, yeah, the meter isn't going anywhere. So yeah, it's clipping correctly. Okay. Cool. I wonder why I don't have to do this stuff right here. Very strange. See, I can get rid of that. I'm gonna keep that stuff in there just in case I'm wrong. Let me attach my parameters. So shaper set parameter. We're gonna go DSP wave shaper parameter ID preamp, and then this is gonna be, we're gonna get it from the value tree so we can actually use that slider. Get raw parameter value, and this is OD input. You know what I think I'm gonna do is go back to the way I used to do it with instead of this stuff from the, well, this is pretty much the same. I don't know. It's so weird. It's like now it's happening more and more. I just want to make sure that the effect is cool before I wait. OD input. OD input, and this is from 0 to 5, and then let's see, wave shaper. Why did the slider not do anything? You know what? I don't know if this is going to make a difference, but oh wait, the wave shaper still has this in there. In fact, while I'm here, Okay, didn't crash. There we go. Let's check it out on a smaller frequency. Or a lower frequency, I should say. Okay. Let's see what this sounds like. Let's see, take that off, and that off. It's gonna be kind of loud. Okay, that's better. Sounds pretty bad on drums, but let's see. Let's get some guitar in here. Oh wait, I can just what? Let's take all of this off. Okay, so let's put that and that. Oh. He crashed. You know what? I wonder if it's a channel configuration that's going wrong. Because I just noticed this channel looks like it's in stereo. So this one looks like it's in mono. No, that one's showing stereo for some reason. Oh yeah, it doesn't sound good. I guess I could do this stuff. Let's see, I'm gonna take this. Okay. I don't. Okay. We have to go pretty soon. I just wanted to get this open one more time. And let me check out the plugin.